Wading birds are birds that have long legs and can stand in the water for a long period of time. Wading birds are considered water birds. White egrets are big birds with long, curved beaks. They like to be in low water called shallow. They wade in water both fresh and salt. Their homes are made from sticks that are found around their habitat. White egrets prefer to live alone. Their feathers are white and black with orange beak. Their native home is in Asia, Central America, and South Europe. Wood storks live in places called swamps and wetlands. Their native home is in North America, Central America, South America, and the Caribbean. They have white feathers on their body, but no feathers on their head or neck. They are 82 centimeters tall with black beak. Wood storks are considered tall birds. Wood storks' nests are in trees called mangroves. They are great flyers. The wood stork bends their legs while flying. Rossetti spoonbills have beaks that are shaped like a spoon, like the spoons people eat with. They wade and live in salt and fresh water. Their homes are near the coast of the United States and South America. They are highly social birds. Other birds in the water. Rossetti spoonbills have nests in trees and bushes. Their spoons help them to find food in the water. The feathers are pink and white, and they are great flyers and flying groups called flocks. Rossetti spoonbills are 85 centimeters tall and weigh 17 pounds. Regular flamingos are pink like the Rossetti spoonbill, but they have a hook-shaped beak. Their diet consists of a plant called algae. Flamingos can move their body in many different positions and stand on one leg. They paddle like ducks. Flamingos have habitat in places called lagoons, coastal areas, and lakes. Their weight is 2 pounds and their height is 5 feet tall. American flamingos live throughout North America and South America. Their beaks are pink and black. American flamingos be in groups called flocks. And when they communicate, it usually be very loud. Wilson snipes are small wading birds at 27 centimeters tall and 99 ounces. They are considered shorebirds. They like to be alone. Their beaks are long with tan and gray color. Wilson snipes' beaks are straight. Their feathers are tan and white with white dots. Their native home is in North and South America. The water where Wilson snipes live in is swamps, wetlands, forests, and fresh water. Blue herons are taller birds that find food in the water where there's trees. When the weather is colder, they go and migrate to a different habitat. Blue herons are highly social and be in flocks. Blue herons have gray, blue, black, and their feathers with yellow, black beak. Water blue herons live in is in mangroves, swamps, and coastal areas. Their native home is in South and North America, Oceania, Africa, and Europe. They are silent when they communicate to other herons. Herons are excellent flyers. Blue herons are 130 centimeters tall and weigh 1.77 kilograms. Scarlet ibis are wading birds that also be in flocks in the Caribbean and South America. They stay in one place all season long. The scarlet ibis are red with tips of black or blue on their feathers. They can be found in habitats water like lakes, swamps, and fresh water. When scarlet ibis birds fly, they be in a V shape. Their food is found under mud and plants. With scarlet ibis be in large groups for better survival.